Good morning, all. So let us start with our today's session, that is DES. Okay. So in yesterday we have seen the Faisal cipher. Let us quickly revise the last session. Okay. So that was the Faisal cipher, in which we have learned the block cipher and the stream cipher. Then we have learned that is a stream cipher that converts into bit by bit or byte by byte. That is a single at a time. It converts single bit from plain text to cipher text. And then we have seen the block cipher. Okay, this was the example of the encryption of stream cipher. Okay, that is how it converts from plain text to cipher text, and cipher text converts into the plain text as well, with the help of bit by bit streaming of stream generation algorithm, that it converts from plain text to ciphertext as well. Uh, Then next is we have seen the block cipher, in which we have seen it converts whole block of a text, a whole 64-bit or more, that is 128 or 192 or 256 bits of a block, that is been converted from a plain text to a ciphertext as well. Okay, so this converts whole ciphertext block from a plain text block. So this is how the example is been given of encryption and a decryption. The plain text bits is undergoes and the encryption algorithm along with the key, and along with the key it will generate a ciphertext, and this ciphertext will go into the decryption algorithm along with the key, and will give us a plain text as well. So this is how the confusion and diffusion occurs as well, because it breaks the relationship for the ciphertext to plain text and plain text to ciphertext. So we could not predict any different number of the combination of the plain text or a ciphertext blocks. Okay, let us see one more, that is very important for the today's lecture, that is Faisal cipher. So we have gone through these. Okay, so each and every step of it. Okay, this is known as round one. Okay, this is called a round one. Okay, so I request you to watch it properly, because this is how we are going this is what we are going to do in the DES today, that is data encryption standard. Okay, very important with respect to your the syllabus, with respect to your career, with respect to your knowledge, and along with the competitive examination. It is very important to know the portion of rounds. Okay, in DES. Okay, here we are just viewing the first round, અને આમાં શું કરીએ છીએ, usually આપણે જગલ કરીએ છીએ. ઓકે, કી વન લઈએ છીએ કી, અને એમાં એક્સોરમાં જઈએ છીએ, મ્યુચ્યુઅલ એક્સક્લુઝનમાં જઈએ છીએ, ઓર એક્સોર બી કહેવાય છે. એક્સોરમાં જઈએ, એક્સોરમાંથી આપણે રાઈટ ટુ લેફ્ટ ટુ રાઈટ આપણે કી શિફ્ટ the text shift કરીએ છીએ, that's it. Okay, and the very beginning, here what we are doing, we are doing nothing, we are just dividing whole plain text, that is from 64-bit we are dividing the block, and we are creating a block of 32-bit plus 32-bit, that is left 32-bit and right 32-bit of a plain text. Okay, so and this round goes with the number of rounds, and for each and every round we increase the key. Okay, so here, and this is how the Faisal cipher works as well. The decryption also is as the same. Okay, so this is what the keys and round substitution permutation. Okay, so here, that is what I wish to tell you about the substitution. Have the permit is performed by taking exclusive or on left half of a data, and the output of a round function f, which has input right half and subkey. The permutation is performed that consists of interchange of two halves of the data. Okay, the structure is called substitution and permutation network. Okay, so these are the terminology in which we used over the Faisal cipher. Okay, So and this is what the internal encryption and decryption for each and every round that we have discussed yesterday, and these are the details of the rounds. Now along, okay, so on the basis of these vessel encryption and decryption algorithm, we are expanding more, or we say it is, we are we are going more into the details of the Fessel cipher. So what we do, we take a structure of Fessel cipher, and along with this Fessel cipher, we are deriving an encryption and decryption standard, that is the data encryption standard for achieving more security over the plain text. Okay, so how do we do it? Let us see. Okay, so today's lecture is whole based on data encryption standard. Now let us see what is the data encryption standard. We are encrypting a data, and and to encrypt the data, we have developed a core standard by which we be able to convert it whole block from a whole block of plain text. Okay, so here it is a is a block cipher algorithm, takes a 64-bit, or we can say it is also taking more than 64-bit of a block size. It takes 64-bit of key. Okay, here તમે યાદ રાખજો કે with only 56-bit effective. Okay, so here keep in mind that we are at a time. Okay, we are just using only 56-bit of effective key size among 64. એટલે 64 માંથી હું 56 માઇનસ કરું તો કેટલા રહેશે? કોણ કહેશે? હા,
48,
8
48, 48.
નહીં, 64 માંથી મારે 64 માંથી કેટલા માઇનસ કરું તો પછી મારે 56
8.
મળે, 8 બીટ મળે ને અત્યારે.
હા,
અત્યારે
sorry,
યાદ
8, 8,
રાખવાનું
8,
છે
8.
કે આપણે 64 માંથી આપણે ખાલી 8 બીટ માઇનસ કરી દેવાના છે. કઈ રીતે માઇનસ કરવાના છે ને that I'll know you. Okay, when we go with the exact algorithm. Okay, for D2D it is bit good because they might be having a subject, they might have learned the subject, that is CNS. Okay, let us start again. So for this purpose we use a 16 rounds of encryption standard. Okay, let us go with this. The first, take a 64 bit plain text, or the block of 64-bit plain text passes through an initial permutation that rearranges the bits to produce the permutation output. So આમાં વિલિયમ સ્ટેલિંગ, કવિ વિલિયમ સ્ટેલિંગે શું કીધું? વિલિયમ સ્ટેલિંગ એવું કીધું કે તમારે 64 બીટનો બ્લોક લેવાનો, પછી શું કરવાનું? તમારે ઇનિશિયલ પરમ્યુટેશન કરવાનું. હવે ઇનિશિયલ, વોટ ઇઝ ઇનિશિયલ પરમ્યુટેશન? એનીવન? કોઈ આમાં પ્રકાશ નાખશે? Anyone is interested to enlighten us? What is initial permutation, especially D2D? Okay, see here they have written that rearranges the bit to produce the permutation input. So what does it says? કે મારી પાસે 64 બીટનો બ્લોક જે છે, પ્લેન ટેક્સ્ટનો બ્લોક છે, એને હું રીઅરેન્જ કરું છું. How do we rearrange? Go back to our last lecture in which we have learned about the transposition technique. Into a transposition technique, how many techniques we learned? We learned rail fence as well as a columnar technique. Okay, so the columnar technique in which we were using the number of columns to be rearranged in such a way that it will generate a ciphertext. Okay, the same fundamental we are going to use for the initial permutation. Okay, next is, this is followed by a phase consisting of 16 rounds of the same function. Okay, which involves both permutation and substitution function. Okay, હવે into the last unit we have learned substitution technique, okay, and transposition technique. So here we are going to use both the techniques as well. આપણે અહીંયા શું કરવાના છે, એક જે substitution technique બી use થશે and permutation બી use થશે. Permutation means transposition technique in which we are juggling whole column as well, and substitution technique in which we will juggle the number of characters with respect to the number of the bits, or we can say it is the single character to be replaced by some other character to make it more secure, that is to convert into a ciphertext. Finally, the pre-out output is passed through a permutation that is the inverse of an initial permutation. Inverse of initial permutation. Okay, હવે initial permutation, inverse of initial permutation ને હું શું કહું છું, final permutation. Now what is final permutation? It is an inverse of initial permutation. એટલે જે મેં ઇનિશિયલી જે જગલ કરી છે આખી રો અને મતલબ જે કોલમ ને મેં જગલ કરી છે, મતલબ ઇનટુ ટ્રાન્સપોઝિશન ટેકનિક what we were doing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 9 columns we have. What I do, I juggle a column, that is first I take a column number 7, then I take column number 5, then I take column number 2, then I take column number 3, and likewise I randomly select whole column and to make to convert from plain text to a ciphertext. Okay, so whatever the initial permutation is done, okay, આપણે જે કોલમ સિલેક્ટ કરીએ ઇનિશિયલ પરમ્યુટેશન કર્યું અને પછી એને રીઅરેન્જ કર્યો, જેમ કે આપણે પહેલા 7 લીધું હતું તો પછી એની જગ્યાએ ફર્સ્ટ મૂકી દો, સેકન્ડ થર્ડ ફોર્થ ફિફ્થ, એટલે જે 7th પહેલા લીધું તો 7th મૂકી દો, 5 પહેલા લીધું 5 લીધું, પછી સેકન્ડ, ઓકે, પછી ફોર્થ, પછી 3, પછી 8, પછી લાસ્ટમાં જે બી ઇનિશિયલ પરમ્યુટેશન વખતે જે કોલમ સિલેક્ટ કરેલી એના કરતાં ઇન્વર્સ કોલમ આપણે એ જ સિલેક્ટ કરવાની. So, and during this data encryption standard, the 56-bit is passed through a permutation function. Okay, so meanwhile here also what we are doing, मैं पहला भी कीधुं permutation technique में આપણે શું use કરીએ છીએ, we are taking the transposition technique. Okay, transposition technique means we are using a columnar technique to select a keys. Okay, again keep in mind we are using here 56 bits, so along from the 64 bit of key we are effectively a will use a 56 bit key is passed through an permutation. એટલે આપણે આમાંથી 64 માંથી 8 bit તો આપણે એને કાઢી જ નાખ્યા, એટલે આપણી પાસે શું મળ્યા 56 bits. Okay, for each 16 route a key subkey is produced, subkey ki is produced by the combination of left circular shift and a permutation. Okay, now the hero comes here. Okay, now the danger hero, or for understanding we can also say it is and villain as well. Villain એટલા માટે આપણે કહીએ કે એટલું છે કે તમે લેક્ચરમાં છે ને કંટાળી કહી દેશો કે જાણ નથી ભણવું ડીએસ. Okay, and if we have an exact algorithm, after algorithm if I give you an example to solve it, you will really desperate that what the hell is this. Okay, let us see the main heart of this block cipher, that is DES. Okay, what do we have? We have a 64 bit of plain text. Okay, so again I request you to concentrate over here, that is 64 bit of plain text. આપણી પાસે શું છે, again 64 bit of plain text that goes with the initial permutation. Okay, for the round 1 that we have a 64 bit. Okay, now what do we have? We have a permutation choice 1. Okay, let us apply a. Okay, so here now what do we have? First is initial permutation, that means 64 bit plain text છે આપણી પાસે. Now what I am doing, I am making the permutation, that is I am converting, I am using an columnar technique to make the permutation of 64 bit. હવે 64 નું જે છે, ઓકે હું સપોઝ રો ને કોલમમાં કન્વર્ટ કરું તો કેટલા થશે, કોઈ કહેશે? How many number of rows and how many number of columns will be generated if I have a 64 bit of plain text?
8.
Huh?
8.
Why 8?
8 into 8 is 64.
Yes, 8 8s are 64. So we'll have an matrix of 64 bit. Okay, 64 by means 8 by 8 નું આખું આપણી પાસે એક matrix હશે. Okay, so 8 8s are 64. So we'll have the 8 number of columns. Okay, so now what we do? So we randomly we permute as well. We juggle the columns, and after juggling we'll have a 64 bit of plain text over here. Okay, okay, what do we have here? uh, okay, okay, so what do we have here? We have a juggling as well. શું થશે એની અંદર? જગલ કરીશું શેમાં? આમાં. Okay. આમાં આપણે ઇનિશિયલ પરમ્યુટેશન ની અંદર આપણે જગલ કરી નાખ્યું. Okay, now after juggling we'll have a round 1. ઓકે, આ વસ્તુ તમે યાદ રાખો, આપણે જગલ કરીને મતલબ કોલમનર ટેકનિક થ્રુ પાસ કરી અને we are we are we are inputting 64 bit of plain text into round 1. Okay, now come to here, 64 bit of plain text that we the bit of key that we have. See, here we have an 64 bit of plain text, here we have 64 bit of, that is equivalent plain text, we have equivalent key. Okay, key size are similar in both, but now when it passes through the permutation choice 1, ઓકે અગેન ઇટ જગલ્સ. અહીંયા આપણે શું કર્યું? જગલિંગ કર્યું. 64 બીટ નું કી છે તો અહીંયા પણ આપણે શું થશે? વિલ હેવ અ 64 બીટ ઓફ the 8 by 8 8 by 8 matrix. Okay, so along with 8 by 8 matrix, what do we have? We'll have a will have an permutation choice 1. So randomly we are selecting the columns, but what do we do here? For every 8th bit we have a for every 8th bit we have a parity bit. Okay, so go, if you now don't ask me what is parity bit. Okay, go back, if you have a doubt you can go to the last semester in which you have learned about the Hamming code. Okay, here Hamming code and the CRC, where you have and the parity bit, and with the help of parity bit you recovered your the data as well. So here also we have a parity bit in 64 bit. So for every 8th bit, so let us so in 64 bit the whole one column will be a parity bit. So 64 minus 8 will have a 56. Okay, આમાં કોઈને doubt? Fine. Okay, okay, so here,
હેલો સર,
हाँ जी बोल.
આપણા જે આ 56 જે પરમિટ ચોઈસમાં
56 56 bit of key, we are taking only 48 bits after juggling. ઓકે, અહીંયા ફરીથી હું કોલમના ટેકનિકથી બધા કોલમ્સમાંથી કોઈ બી કોલમ્સ કે लिए બીજા 8 બીટ હું રિમૂવ કરી નાખું. રિમૂવ નથી કરતો, સી આઈ એમ નોટ રિમૂવિંગ એની નંબર ઓફ બિટ્સ હિયર, હું ખાલી 48 બિટ્સ સિલેક્ટ કરું છું. Okay, I am selecting only 48 bits amongst 56 bits. So this remaining 48 bits, whatever I have selected, that goes into the round 1. So So along with the 64 bit and along with the 48 bit, it goes into the round 1. Okay, so the output of round 1 will directly go to the round 2. But here what do we have? We are using a key as well. Okay, what I am doing, I am doing the, okay, so what I am doing, I am converting the first the plain text to a cipher text using first round. हमारी first round ની activity થઈ. Okay, the next round. Okay, here we are using first sub key, that is of key, that is first 48 bit, 48 bit of key, that is first sub key. Again into, again the algorithm goes on, and again I will have the same procedure for round 2. Again it selects 56 bits, it selects 48 bits from 56 bits. So 56 માંથી હું કેટલા select કરું છું? Again I am selecting randomly, I am selecting the 48 bits over the for sub k2, sub key, that is k2. Okay, and this round goes up to the 16 rounds, and for each and every time this circular shift happens and permutation choice occurs, and the whatever the 48 bit of key length is there, it goes for the 16 round, and at the last of this 32 bit of swapping of occurs. Now this swapping of occurs will, that is swapping means swapping, as this is what we have, these 16 rounds of a 32 bit, along with 32 bit we have a left shift that will convert into 64 at 32 plus 32 bit. This 32 bit plus 32 bit will generate a 64 bit of plain the cipher text block. Now what it happens, it goes with the inverse of initial permutation. Initial permutation मतलब શું છે કે final permutation છે. Final permutation means whatever we have used in initial permutation will have to inverse, will have to go inverse of initial permutation. Okay, અને બીજું નામ બી કહેવાય છે final permutation. Okay, so final permutation માં શું થશે, it goes with the this activity, and again the inverse of permutation occurs. So here if we are juggling the number of columns, if we have, if we have generating a number of, we are selecting random columns, again we'll have to use the same inverse of the selecting column. So if we have used in 7 first column, then 5, then third, then fourth, then first and second, again we'll have to use in the reverse order whatever we have used it. Okay, the same in inverse order આપણે select કરવાનું for selection. Okay, so whatever the output will have a 64 bit of cipher text, that is our DES encryption algorithm. Okay, so હવે into last lecture someone asked me, કશ્યપ જ કદાચ પૂછેલું કે ભઈ કેટલા rounds હોય. Okay, so we can increase the number of rounds, but જો એક જ રાઉન્ડ ની અંદર, ઓકે, જો 16 રાઉન્ડ આટલા લીધા, and into a 16 rounds, if we have this number of uh, you know uh, the complexity, and if we increase the number of rounds up to the 32, how complex will it be? Okay, so the thing is, we into a 16 route, it generates a very good number of secured ciphertext, so we don't need to have more ciphertext or secure ciphertext as well. Okay, even though if we wish to generate, we can generate the 32 rounds as well. Okay, so here what do we have? We have 16 rounds as well, and swapping and initial permutation along with the plain text. Okay, okay, so this is what we have into a box. Okay, so this is what we have a single round. Okay, અહીંયા આપણે શું કરીએ છીએ? We are having a single round of DES. Okay, અહીંયા જે આપણે જોયું આ, okay, the single round આ જે આપણે જોઈએ છે. Okay, this whatever we are viewing into a single round. ઓકે, આ આપણને ખબર પડી ગઈ કે ભાઈ આમાં શું થાય છે, ઇનિશિયલ પરમ્યુટેશન થાય છે, આમાં પરમ્યુટેશન ચોઇસ 1 થાય છે. અગેન આ વી આર જગલિંગ, જેટલી બી ટેક્સ્ટ છે લેફ્ટ સર્ક્યુલર શિફ્ટ થઈ જાય છે. પછી again it goes with the permutation choice 2, and after permutation choice 2 what do we have? It goes into the round 1. Now what happens, actual story અહીંયા છે કે રાઉન્ડ 1 માં થાય છે શું? Okay, આપણે ક્યારે મૂકીને round 1, round 2, round 3 up to round 16. But what happens in round 1? Okay, જે round 1 માં થશે will be followed into round 2 onwards, that is up to 16. Okay, okay, so into a round 1, here the round લખેલું છે, that is around, let us consider round 1. So here whatever the 64 bit of block that we have, whatever the 64 bit of block that we have a single round in, that is we convert from 64 bits of block to 32 plus 32, that is જે આપણે ફેસલ સાઇફરમાં કરતા હતા okay, we are having a 32 bit plus 32 bit of left and right plain text. So here also we are dividing both the plain text into similar order. Now what do we do over here? We what do we do over here? We mixed it. Okay, so we, it goes under the exclusion or JB, that is key one. Suppose we take a k1, that is 48 bit that comes into over here key with the right plain text. Yes, so the right plain text, it comes with the right plain text, and right plain text will be goes for the function along with the key. એટલે 64 બીટની કી છે, 64 32 બીટની આપણી પાસે પ્લેન ટેક્સ્ટ છે, અને 48 બીટ થી આપણે એને encrypt, 48 bit key થી આપણે encrypt કરીએ. Whatever the answer that we have, that will be a 32 bit of 32 bit of, we have a text received after the function is been called. જે બી ફંક્શનમાંથી 32 બીટનું આવશે, that 32 bit will be 32 bit will be, what do we do here? We make it a exclusive or XOR. Okay, and this XOR, the result of XOR, that is whatever the ciphertext that we received, it usually it goes with the the right side, and whatever the remaining portion of right plain text will go to the left. Okay, જે right છે એ પછી plain બની જશે, અને cipher text જે બની છે એ right માં જતી રહેશે, and it will be swapped as well, and the the right plain text will become a left plain text, and left plain text will go directly to the XOR, and XOR to become a right plain text. Now, or we can say it is the right half of ciphertext, and rest of the same will go into the functioning. So this is how we have a, and this is a single round. So apart than this there it runs for more 16 rounds, that is it goes with the 0 to 15 15 rounds for the execution. એટલે આપણે 16 રાઉન્ડ્સ આવા ને આવા સિલેક્ટ કરવા, મતલબ એક્ઝિક્યુટ થશે to get an exact cipher text. Okay, so let us see into some more details. Okay, કંટાળો આવતો જશે, અને surely you will feel that what the hell is going on, because this is what we have seen the half movie of DES. Okay, so here left and right, that we have a left plain text and right plain text. Here we have the keys, half plain text key and half plain, half key size, then remaining half 32, that is 50 56 now. Suppose half કરું તો કેટલે થાય 28 plus 28 bits of key will be here, and અહીંયા we have a 32 bit of key length, here we have a 32 bit of key length. So the right plain text 32-bit block will go into the expansion and the permutation. Okay, so into this, okay, આ રાઉન્ડ ની અંદર આપણે શું કરીએ છીએ, એક્સપાન્શન કરીએ છીએ. પૂછો કેમ? કારણ કે આની અંદર આપણી પાસે શું છે, 28 બીટ છે. ઓકે, and here we are having 32 bit of length. So here from a 28 bit we are adding some more padding bits to execute for the expansion. So what do we have? We have a 32 bit and as well. Okay, so 32 bit plus what do we have? We have a 28 bits. Okay, so what will the answer of 32 plus 28 કેટલા થશે? કેટલા થશે?
60.
60 થશે. એન્ડ પણ આપણે આપણો સાઈઝ કેટલી છે? 60 60 છે આપણી પાસે, બરાબર. હવે 64 નું યાદ રાખજો અત્યારે. So here what do we have over here? Okay, so into a left shift and as well. So here what do we have? Sorry. Okay, so here what do we have? We have a 48 bit of key, અને અહીંયા આપણી પાસે કેટલા છે? 32 bit છે. Okay, so expansion ક્યાં કરવાનું છે? 32 માંથી આપણી પાસે કેટલા લેવાના છે? 48 bit of plain text લેવાની છે. So how many remains? કેટલા બાકી બચશે આપણી પાસે? 64 માંથી
6.
6, હા 16 રહેશે. હેલો,
હા સર, 16 રહેશે.
16 રહેશે ને? So what do we have? From a 32 bit of plain text we'll have to expand from 32 to 40. So we'll have to add more padding bits into this text to make it into a 4 to make it into 48 bits. So now, so that goes with the XOR along with the key size after the permutation choice 1, sorry, permutation choice 2. Okay, whatever the answer that we have will make an 48 bit. Now the very important portion is of substitution choice. Okay, substitution, or we can say it is an S box. Okay, into the last the starting of a DS, as we have seen that will go for both permutation and substitution. That is, we'll use a substitution technique and we'll also use the transposition technique. So here the permutation in which we are using and transposition technique, and here we'll use a substitution cipher for execution. So here it is known as S box. Okay, so here we have a 32 bits of text that goes with the substitution technique. Okay, and then it goes with the permutation, again permutation for execution. Okay, this is how the S box this is how the first single round it is. Okay, and then whatever the left right plain text, so left plain text of 32 bit will be here, will go with the, again it goes with the XOR for for having the first cipher text. Okay, and whatever the answer will be there, the right plain text, that is 32 bit of right plain text will be there into the left, and left whatever goes with the XORing of the plain text, that is 32 bit, and it will have a again XORing of ciphertext plus 32 bit of text. Okay, and then it